Let's divide 166 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. Let's keep exploring numbers together. Alright, let's start dividing 166 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 166, which is 1. We don't have a digit to carry down, so we use the 1 as our first partial. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write 0 above the 1. Let's check. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. Awesome start, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit 6, to make our new number 16. We're on to the next step. Our new number is 16. We brought down the 6, making our partial 16. Look at that. How many times does 2 go into 16? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 8. Let's check. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Time to subtract. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Fantastic work, you crushed that step. We have one more digit to bring down. Let's go. Last step, here we go. We bring down the final digit 6. Our new partial is 6. We're almost done. How many times does 2 fit into 6? You got it, it's 3. Let's check. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Subtracting 6 from 6 gives us 0. Perfect. You did it. That's the end of our division, and you were amazing. We've divided 166 by 2. The answer is 83 with no remainder. So, 166 divided by 2 equals 83. Great job, everyone! We just tackled a long division problem step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing wonderfully. That's all for today. Keep practicing your math skills and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes!